Sakazomhle. Putwa Mexico 1, Bafana 0. Ibone kanjani first half yakho?
Yeah, first half in terms of team sheet we're too defensive, but on the field I didn't see much of that. But the only problem could consider early with the mistake Kastole, maybe Bezamukwenzi half 10 and with left yake, and it's normally a mistake, it's allowed in football. Yeah, but at that stage you need to be concentrated. But I'm worried about some other players. They didn't come to the party today. More special Umkwena. I don't see Umkwena Fanshina with Ustole or Adams in the middle of the park. I see Umbogazi more off the ball, and I think Indabaka Mutiba is forced to play game because it's not the Umbogazi is the one that Odala or Progressayo, yeah. And we are playing football that is not us. We are playing long balls, expecting our Foster to get something. But I was happy after maybe 25 minutes to the last 45 because we're trying to play. At least we are gaining confidence. Yeah, we are gaining confidence.
So do you think that break that we got, that water break, do you think the coach gave different instructions to say that, guys, we need to play more ball than to play in the long balls? Because we saw an attack from Bafana since that break.
I don't think these players are playing according to coach's instruction. It's because Bafana, they want a stage. They want, because we have a generation of players now that are willing to play. They are not that talented, but they are willing to play. You see Abombogas, baya push. But I doubt my tactics are coach away. Maybe he's gonna try to motivate half time, even second half. If even coach that tactically they put second half, you come with Apolis and Mofokeng because they have confidence. They were doing well. Second half to come and try to push Mexico. There is no need now to stay to get respect. Maybe losing or 1-0. So I don't think a coach has done that much. I'm not against Hugo, but I believe our players they are trying, but tactics are poor.
Okay, so changes. What are the changes that we need to do as Bafana just for a second half to say at least we can get a goal and equalize in the game?
No, I think Foster is not into the game. We need to Reina Sabe point of reference because we can't play Reina swing and put our police to play there as a half winger. Then you need to take out Mutiba because he's not fit or injury. Then you can play Umbogazi left. One thing I like about Umbogazi is flexible. You can play Umbogazi left, but I'm push him more. But at some moments I push here. Then you can bring Urele. Then I don't want to take out Eli Ustole because at the very same time we need to respect Mexico. Yeah, maybe the first 10 minutes we can absorb the game or change immediately. If you are brave, change immediately. Bring Urele no Apolisi. We are forward. I believe we can get something like game, and with Umbogazi try to put our shots. Yeah.
Okay, Mhlekazi, ngiyabonga kakhulu.
Okay, asibonge Bhuti Mshaka.